Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2024 9th of April. Well, today, let's see what we have today. Alright. Thank you for coming back, Sabrina. And hi, good morning, Bradley. Dobra jutro, Caro. Nice to see all of you here once again. Yep, and alright, we are back here. Okay, so first of all, make some announcement. Tomorrow may not be able to have any live streaming. Alright, so yeah, and let's get into the MT4 first. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so tomorrow won't be, may likely not to have, because I think a bit too rush to start the live streaming. So probably will be on the next day, like say tomorrow is Wednesday, so probably on the Thursday. Okay, all right, yeah, and one thing about this is let's see over here. Okay, let's take a look. What do we have? Let's take a look. Hang on first, let me see. Okay, yep, all right. I cannot see you. Okay, yes, now I can see. All right, good. Yep, all right, let's well, been running around. Yes, hi Hubert. Okay, yes, and okay, then let's see what do we have here today. All right, okay, good. Okay, now how's everything? How's everything here? I hope everything is good for everyone. Yesterday, let's have a little recap about yesterday first. Yesterday, well, I think the pound dollar is still on the escalation. All right, so last Friday, wow, what a good move over here. Well, and now we can see we have a lot to be taken. Okay, down there. Correct. Okay, so over at this point here, and we are yesterday, I think oops, yesterday was like a good move over here. So today we seems like we still have some areas, right, to be taken. Nice move here, right? So let's do some planning over at this point here. Okay, I think yesterday, we have taken out this area of this area here. Then the resistance has been tested now up here. Okay, so this area we have this area here. Okay, we are waiting to test this area here. I think this area should be taken into consideration of the whole area right here. Well, I think I am still looking into 127,241. Okay, I think that is still quite a good one. Okay, to be taken, and I guess well, something there for us. What's your thoughts about this one? For this pound dollar. Okay. Well. Let's take a look over at this point here, and this area. Well, I think there are still plenty to be taken. Okay, we are still on the. Are we still on the upward move? Yes, and for the pound dollar, we are still moving towards the north. I think, yeah, it's still pretty good. Well, is it a time of not? But this is of course not the right time to go for a buying first, I would say. Let's do up some planning first before we actually go into the buying side. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Sawadee krap, Rome. Yes, I'm always here. You subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, all right. Okay, so over here, yeah. Let's see what we have over here. And right now, okay, let's take a look over at this point here, and we are I will say that we still need some time to test into this area here. All right, this area is still quite crucial. Okay, yeah. So let me do a bit by bit first. Okay. For buyer side, okay, for buyers wise, okay, let's see. I am looking into some areas that the pound dollar should be selling off to take the support before they continue the buying. So at the moment, okay, I will say that there are still some areas here, okay. Then over at this point here, we are still looking into some other areas to be a support before it actually continue the buying, right? So I am still looking for some buying, but then again is that there are some areas that we still need to take note. Okay, yeah, and over here there's one resistance here, so we are coming down to take the lows here. Then after that, one area here, okay. Okay, so this has been taken out, right? So I'm going to delete this. Okay, and of course, by looking into this area also, okay, this area of support here, yeah, all right, yeah, okay. So let's take a look at what's happening in the current moment over here. Okay, yeah, what is that? Okay, all right, what? No, nothing here. Okay, hang on first. Let me check. No. Hang on. I think 126,440. Okay, 126,440 is one of the price that we are going to look out for. Okay, so but the space is not enough. Okay, I would say there's only about 4 pips down. May also be taking out this area here to this area here about 126,349. Okay, 126,349. Then okay, 126,349, and also this whole area. Okay, yep, this area here. Right, one area, as we can see the support, they are trying to break the support. So from there we are going to take 126,440 to 126,349, and even to, let me check this area here. This is not so good yet, I think. Yeah, 126. Okay, let me take this away first. Let me move this. I think this should be good. Okay. Yep. Wow, this is quite a good one over here. From here to here, we have about 35 pips there. Okay, so looks like they are trying to take this area. Okay, looks like they're trying to take this whole area here. Okay. Okay, so if there is any selling, okay, possible, probably we are going to look out for 126,151. Okay, 126,151 for the pound dollar. Okay, so at the moment, where is the good place for me to sell off to take this 126,151? I would say, okay, I would say that probably, okay, we will need to take this area. Okay, yeah, this is the area. Okay, yeah, 126,432. All right, 126,432. Then looking out for selling down here into to take this area to take this area of 28 pips. Okay, we have about 28 pips down there. If this able to break through again, then we will be looking out to another lower price of about 125,740. Okay, so about 125,740. All right, so there may be a good chance there. All right, so let's take a look. Field and done. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think that should be the price that we are looking out for, 125,745. Okay, but then again, in order to reach this area, of course, we are crossing zone by zone. Okay, so we need to pay attention to this area here. All right. Once it breaks through this area to form up another resistance below 126,432, then after that we can still go down to for more selling down there. Okay, but now we are in the first place we are looking out for buying. Okay, in the first place we are looking out for buying. So by looking out into buying, okay, I think very likely we are going to take some, we need some resistance, I would say. Okay, I would say we need some resistance before we actually can go for the selling. All right. Okay. Yeah. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin 70,000 now. Okay, we are back to 70,000. So we have another 14 days, 16 days, about 16 days. Am I right? Okay. So on the 25th of April should be the day for the halving. So what is going to happen after that? Okay, so I wouldn't want to comment much, but I will say that probably there may be another very, very huge move, okay, on that day. So we can seriously take a look what it's going to be like. All right, then over at this point here, okay, so it should be still running good. Okay, it should be still running good. Yeah. Okay, then Carlo, then talking about this Bitcoin, it reminds me of Carlo talking about XRP. Well, now XRP is running at 61 cents. Am I right? Is it 61 cents? I think so. Okay, so there may be a good chance that that XRP should be still on the upward move, maybe. Okay, yeah. What do you think? Okay, yeah. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay, but during this period should be very roller coaster. Okay, yeah. And next to go, let's take a look at the gold. Okay, let's see. Well, as for the gold wise, I see that we are going another all-time high again. All right, so it's another high price to meet up again over at this point here. Looks like we are expecting to see something really very fantastic. Okay, yeah, XRP 61. Yeah, okay. Right, so XRP, do you think we're still going up? Will it go to $1? Okay, yeah. After that day when you actually mentioned about XRP, okay, I actually do up some reading and research about that. Okay, seems like the XRP has a potential. Okay, Okay, it will, but God knows when. Yeah, exactly. So the thing is that okay, but personally I do some reading. Okay, I've done some reading. Okay, then from my reading I realized there's some potential that what they are building. Okay, so I see the technology they are building is seems like it's a good chance to see in near future. Okay, $1 is possible. All right. Okay. Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, by the way, I started travel around from town to town. Town to town, huh? Okay. Okay, so yeah. And there's a little bit of different in the time. Okay, so wow. Okay. It has been so long that I didn't travel in this way. Okay, anyway, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, for the goal wise, I guess it came to a point where like a few weeks ago, it went up so high up, and I don't know what to do with them. Okay. Then over at this point here, I will say that if I'm going to go on some selling here for the gold, there may be a chance that we are going to, but of course, okay, we still have some levels to take. Okay, for example, like this area here. Okay, so there's a good chance for some selling as well. I would say this one a bit too far away. I am actually looking at 2290, but I think it's a bit too far away. Let's take a look at something nearer. All right, something nearer will be looking into one area here. Okay, I'm looking into 23, 21. Then, of course, will there be any other areas that we should be looking out for as well? Right. I will take this out first. Okay. Let's take this out first. So that I have a clear picture. Okay. Right. Okay. Yep. Okay. So let's take a look over here now. All right. And over at this point, I will see 23, 23 maybe. Let me see. 2336. Yeah, 2336. 2336. This may be one area. Alright. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, it's a crypto coin. Yeah. Haro, if ACS travel, I gotta miss your trading style. Well, we still have a Discord, okay? Yeah, okay. And over here, and also by the way, I may not be able to use Discord for a short period of time. Okay, right. So I won't be able to be on YouTube, on Discord for a period of time. Alright, so by then I will let you know. Okay. So over here, at this point here, I see some areas. Yep. What do you think? 22, 36, or maybe 37? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Carol, what do you think about the goal? Alright. I see that there may be a good chance there for some selling off to 2036. Okay, 2036 will be the price that I'm looking out for. 2036. Yeah. I think 2036 will be a good price. I think it's because this is the opening here. So right now, by looking into this, there may be some selling. If there's some selling, it should be taking this 2036 every day all-time high. Yeah, it's very bullish. Exactly. All right. So right now, okay, I guess for now, if there's a selling, I think there should be some 20, 23, 36, 92. Then from here, there may be a good chance to push another high. All right. So let's shrink down a little bit to take a look clearer. Okay. 2030 to 2033, 26 is possible. Okay. Okay, so you are looking at 26. Okay, about 26. Oh, yeah, 26. Okay. Okay, yeah, correct. So around this area here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, okay, yes. I think okay. I think a little bit. Okay, a little bit here. Provided it has a chance to sell down on, correct? Provided it has a chance to sell off, huh? Okay, so of course, I believe when it's all-time high, a lot of people will be looking out for selling. Okay, so not surprising. Okay, that I will also be one of them. To look at the selling may be coming in as well. All right. So this is the area. Okay, so over at this point here, we may be, maybe looking out for a higher price first. Okay, something higher than you can still on the bull side. Okay, it can still be on the bull side, correct? So yeah, okay, so let it be. Okay, so tentatively, if I'm going to take a buy here, I will be looking, if I'm going to take a buy, all right, if I would want to see some pullback first, correct? I would like to see some pullback first. If there's a pullback, I guess this candle is very, if this candle is going to pull back, this should be kind of good area to see. All right. Well, okay. What's this? Why am I doing this? Okay, so yeah, for reference purpose only. So looking into this gold area here, 2348. If this going to pull back to this 2348, then probably there will be another push further up. But for now, I think it's a good time to wait for a little while, huh? Okay, but the selling, they're about to have some selling. Okay, they're about to have some selling off because I believe there will be a lot of big players realizing their profit from here. Okay, so after that, then we can grab the opportunity, okay, to actually swing down for the selling. Okay, yeah, all right. And over at this point here, okay, let's take a look at some other thing like a pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we have a swing off from here down back here again, and then we take out this area. Non-farm has come in over here and taken out this area as well. Then after that we boom up. Okay, so but generally, is it still a buying trade? It's still on the buying side for the pound dollar. I would say yes, it will still be on the buying trend. Okay, for now, because I think we have taken out this area. Tested tested this area. Okay, then from this area, we are looking out for some other things. Okay, we are looking out for some other things here. Then some other things like what? I will be looking out for some resistance. Okay, some resistance over into this area here to sell off. So I'm waiting to reach 126,727 to sell off to 126,432. Okay, yeah, tasty for GU. Yes. Okay. Then again, if the selling able to come in at 126,727, okay, I will be looking out from here down to 126,432. Then after that, we'll be looking out into 126,151. 126,151. Okay. All right. So over at this point here, okay, 126,151. Then we are probably this. As I see over here, this is a good area for buying again. Okay. So there may be some move. Okay. I think today is also very peaceful day. All right, but tomorrow may not be. Tomorrow we have CPI on the dollar side. Okay, then after that we have subsequently, you know, dollar have CPI. After that followed by a lot of on the Thursday. Okay, on the Thursday we have FOMC meeting again. Right, and then again is that all these are actually coming in with unemployment claims. Okay, on Thursday. Okay, so it's going to be a choppy after today. Okay, it's going to be choppy after today. All right, so for now, okay, for now, I would say for the pound dollar, okay, for the pound dollar, selling may have a chance. Looks like we are still building up the selling structure at the moment, but it's a temporary selling. It's going to be some pullback. I will say that we still have a lot to read up before we can actually conclude it. Okay, before we can actually have come to a conclusion. Okay, that selling can be done. For now, by looking into this range here, okay, all right, seems like they are stuck somewhere somehow after the inverse head and shoulder has actually comes in. So will they actually, from this move here, okay, will they still be taking out this area? All right, so likely to see something over here. All right, somewhere this area here. All right, into this range here. All right, so I'm marking this range lower because be more conservative. Okay, be more conservative. All right. Okay, so let's see if from this area, okay, will they actually take out this part here at 126,727 before we actually come in for about 18 pips. Okay, about 18 pips there. All right, yeah. Have they touches any? I think at the moment, if I'm looking at it, it seems like they have not come to a point. If there's a buying, I will be looking out into 126,432. Of course, 26,432 to hold it. Then there will be a good chance to continue the buying. Okay. If this is going to break, then I will be good. Then this is the area they're looking out for some selling. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. So yeah, there is one. Okay. So we have to take a look first. Okay. Yeah. Wow. This red candle selling looks very attractive, but don't sell. Yeah, I won't be selling. All right. Okay. Yeah. Haha, it's final hour of 4 hours. Let's see. Okay, yep. Alright, so let's take a look. สวัสดีครับ view สวัสดีครับกินข้าวเหนียวไหม 2350 is possible. Okay, 2350 is possible. Yep. Okay, yes. You have a quick scalping of 20 pips. Okay. Or I see 2350. Okay. Yep. There's a good chance there. 2350. Okay. Yep. Okay. So we are coming down to 2350. Good chance, very high chance, I would say. Okay, very high chance the selling of the gold to 2350. Okay, so of course 2348 as well is also one area I have to take note. Okay, right. Pound dollar, yes. Sorry, you missed out. Okay, just now pound dollar I was saying that if there's a selling, okay, but I won't be selling at the moment now, okay, but the price may even come down to 23 120, not 23 126,432. Okay, 126,432, about 8 pips. Okay, 8 pips only, so I think it's not very fantastic. Okay, not enough space. So when the price comes down to 126,432, it will be either way. It will hit into this area, okay, maybe even slightly lower, okay, then after that it will boom up, okay, to take the highs. Or if it breaks to form lower resistance to sell off, likely I will say there will be a good chance to grab this area. Okay, maybe a good chance to grab this area. All right. Over at this point here, okay, yep. All right, so over here, let me see. Let me check. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see, man. Right. Okay, let's see. Right. Okay. Now, well, have to wait for a little while. Let's take a look at the goal. Right. Okay. So let's see if the goal have okay, let me check. Okay. Yes. Let me take a look what you have just sent me. Okay. I try to uh try to read out and see what is that. Let me see. Okay. Yes. Eric's calculating his profit. Well, no, cheers if I have. This is the beginning of the week only. I always, yeah, using calculator. No, I'm not using calculator. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm actually replying on the other side. Okay. Another. Yeah. So. Well, okay, let's take a look over here, guys. Okay, so sorry about it. Okay, I see some messages comes in. Okay, so I just replying. Okay, then okay, so let's see. Yeah, I see Tesla. Okay, you know Tesla FSD. All right. So Tesla is running about 160 plus now, right? Is it the share? Tesla share is running about 160 plus now. Last year I think it has a high of 299. I think reaching out to 300. Okay, so there may be a good chance. Okay, there may be a good chance surpassing 300 again. Okay, there may be a good chance surpassing 300. Okay, so you know what I mean, right? Okay, yeah. There may be a good chance. Okay, so looking into Tesla. Yes, I personally have Tesla shares. Okay, I have. All right. So but Tesla shares wise, it's like I would say we are buying not because of how the company is doing. We are buying on how Elon Musk is behaving. I would say. Okay. So I would say that there may be he's getting down serious his work again. So I mean all this what he is. Okay. So but then now I think he's seriously on his desk. Okay. By his desk. Okay. To drive the price further up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. So yeah, that's for Tesla. Okay. I have some Tesla shares with me. Yeah. All right. So at the time I bought in at about 90 something. Yeah, 90 something. Yeah. So but for Tesla share, a bit different. Okay. I don't just put in a lump sum. Okay, so for example, 300,000. So for the 300,000, I actually first buy-in about 50%. Okay, then subsequently balance of 150,000. I actually contributed monthly. Okay, so the balance of 150,000, I will go in like bit by bit, you know, every month. Okay, if the share price escalating by 25%, okay, then maybe about there every month, because I have set it up like a saving habit. Every month I will put in some into the Tesla. Okay, so once every month end, for example, month end comes, I will take a look what's the share price is like. Then I will try to work it out that particular 1 month. Okay, for the next following month, if the average price for this current month, okay, for example in February, okay, let's say February, are we looking out are we working out the average price in February? Once in March, the pricing hits my average price in February, okay, then I will start buying it. Okay, then and so on and so forth, all the way every month I will be doing the same thing. So this is how, okay, then total spend about invested about 300,000 inside. Okay, so that will be in a Tesla. For example only, okay, I'm not that rich. Okay, for example only. Okay, okay, so then like when it reaches 229 something and it started to fell off until today 16 something. Okay, it started to fell off. Will I still be contributing? Yes, I will still be. So as long as I calculated out all the contribution with an average price, okay, once it hits my average price, okay, I will buy in for that month. Then the subsequent month comes again, it fell again, and it hit another lower average price, I will buy in again. Okay, and it hits another lower average, I will buy. Lower average, I will buy. Lower average, I will buy. Okay, I will always buy in whenever it hits the previous month lower average. Then I will start to buy in. Okay, yeah. So all in all, I think still pretty good. Okay, although my first buy-in is at 94 or 90 something, 94 or 96, somewhere there. Okay, so end of the day, after bringing down all these, by putting in all these actions in, okay, I currently my average price is at 140. Okay, so still good. Okay, so by the price is still running at 100. I think let me see, I haven't checked yet. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so yeah, I think the price now is 172. Okay, so yeah, my average after doing all this action from 90 plus, I keep buying up until the 299, and then 299 still falling off. I'm still maintaining the average price is at 140. Okay, so as long as it's not falling below 140, I'm still at a profit side, correct? Okay, so end of the day is like you know, yeah, you have end of the day by doing this is actually something like dollar cost averaging. Okay, so but you have to work on what is the details of the dollar cost averaging, not just by blindly every month just pay and just pay. Okay, so that would be something. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so okay, so yeah. Yes, Carlo. Okay. Okay, so I guess some other news that about Tesla, I think is something that everyone should be going to turn their focus on. Okay, yeah, okay, yes. Okay, so yep, and okay, so actually let's take a look at the goal. Okay, so that's for the Tesla. Okay, and basically it's for long term. Okay, that's for long term. So putting money into the bank feeding the ants, the termite. Okay, I think I will place this money into somewhere else. Okay, for better use. All right. Okay, and the next thing to go is for tax. Okay, next thing to go is to spend some money for the tax purpose. Okay, so you know what to do. Okay, for tax purpose. So next time I'm going to set up something like I'm going to set up a foundation. Okay, HEF. This foundation is called HEF. All right. So HEF is I'm going to set it up, and I'm making sure that this HEF, okay, is a very good foundation. Is going to be a good foundation. Okay, right, because this HEF is going to really help a lot. So I'm going to okay. Okay, this foundation is very good. Okay, let me punch it up. Okay, what does HEF stand for? All right, HEF stand for Help Eric Foundation, not foundation, foundation. Help Eric Foundation. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so in future I'm going to set up something like scholarship into this fund. Alright guys, I'm talking nonsense, I know, okay, because I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting for some selling signal to come in for the gold, because gold is still on the way to set up the selling structure, but not yet. Okay, this long candle comes in, but it doesn't mean that it's a good time to sell. Alright, hang on first. Okay, not there yet. For pound dollar, I'm waiting for selling. Okay, I'm waiting for selling over here. Alright. Okay, so not yet, huh? Yeah, very nice. Okay. Okay. Merry Christmas. Are you there? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Are you there? Okay. I have a question for Merry Christmas. Okay, and Carol. Okay, since the rest are so quiet, so let's spur some questions. Carol, let me ask. Okay, let me ask. Merry Christmas and Carol. Okay, does your country, okay, tax on your profits on the forex from the gold trading or forex trading? Okay, do they tax on you? That's a question. Okay, do they tax on your profits? I don't think so, right? Okay. Merry Christmas, are you there? Calling once. Merry Christmas, are you there? Calling twice. Merry Christmas, are you there? Calling gone. Then let's wait for her. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes, they tax on your profits. What's the percentage is like? Capital gain tax. Okay. What if you make losses? What if you make losses? Do they refund your losses? Do you declare your losses? Uh Over here. Okay. Sorry, give me a minute, huh? Okay, you write off losses for next year. Okay, yeah. So you still have to declare, am I right? Okay, yeah. So you still have to make some declaration. Okay, you still have to make some declaration over there. Okay. Uh, as for Singapore, okay, as for Singapore, Singapore-wise will be of course you still have to declare, okay, your taxes, okay, and of course in terms of forex trading, you are taking forex trading as your main income, okay, then that will be you have to declare. Okay, so for Singapore, okay, for Singapore wise, okay, if you are a frequent trader, okay, and then you make profit from trading, you have to declare. You have to declare as a trading income, okay. Then of course, if there's losses, of course you still have to declare, okay. Then from there, all right. So it's we just declare first, okay. Well, then after that to see how they're going to tax on you, okay. Okay, so I think yep. Okay, so over here, all right. Yes, HEF 爱心创始人，健康使命者，医者仁心，福万引路人。Wow. Okay. Wow, that's fantastic. Okay. All right. I think fantastic. That's good. Yeah. Okay. So over here. All right. Nice. Okay. And yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, pound dollar is selling off, and let's hang on for a little while. Let's see if there are okay. All right. I'm waiting for the price to come in here around this area here. All right, then after that, to see if there's a good chance for the buying. Okay. Carol want to join me? Want to set up one foundation? All right. Not foundation or foundation. Yeah, maybe for people for the fun. Okay. All right. Okay, and okay, so over here, right? Yep. Okay, so over here, let's wait. It's not coming down yet, so let's hang on for a little while. Okay. We still have a while. We still have a bit to go. Hang on first. All right. M30 is going to open. The gold is still escalating. I think we are still waiting to. Now let's see. We have this area now. Okay. Okay. So hang on first. All right. Let's wait. Not now. Not now. Okay. Okay. And looks like we are going to be very slow for these 2 days. Okay. Because of the FOMC meetings, I guess this FOMC meetings is going to be something hoo-ha here, huh? Okay, so let's wait. I think this week we need to be very, very patient. Okay, yeah, yes, likely. Okay, likely. So let's see if this is going to give some good one. Okay, because for now I think for now I would say selling is possible. Okay, selling can be possible because I mean in H1. Okay, I mean in H1. Okay, let's take a look H1. Okay, because you see over at this point here, right, they have touches this area here, balance out now. Then we are looking for some selling down to take the areas here, right? So we should have about from now about 7 pips lower, correct? 7 pips. Then you can see is from the beginning of the market is actually moving very flat over here. I would say not very flat, but you know it's still within this range here. 10 over pips now it's quite low. Okay, then I'm waiting for a move. Okay, I'm waiting for a move to create the liquidity. Then after that to see if there's a good chance. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So hang on for a little while. I think pound dollar we have a lot to wait, huh? Okay. Yeah, likely not going to take any trade until New York session. Yeah. Okay. For the gold wise, okay, Caro, we are creating another highs here, slightly higher, correct? I think 23.56.9 to now 23.57.1, correct? Okay. So yeah, I think it is still going to be something there, huh? All right. Okay. Still trying to create another highs up there. Not surprising. Okay. Yeah, still no selling. Yeah, just now that candle is sold off. This candle sold off, but still no selling there. There isn't any sign of selling. Hi, Eberry. Nice to see you. It has been a while. How have you been? Okay, so hang on first. Now looking into this area, right? $27, $23.57.12. Okay. There's no sign at all. No sign of selling yet. Okay. Yep. For pound dollar wise, we are still hanging around there. Okay. We are still hanging around there, man. Okay, so shall we sit back and relax a little while? Okay, just sit back and relax for a little while. Okay, just sit back and relax. Okay. I think we will need to pay a little bit of attention. Okay. I think not really a lot. Yeah. Okay. Yes, hi Christopher. Nice to see you here. Are you not in the office? You looks like you are in somewhere else. I am not. How you can tell? Can you tell? Okay. Yes, what? Okay. Alright. And yeah, okay. The lighting is different. The lighting is different. You can even tell the lighting is different. My goodness. Okay. Hi, Bradley. Yes, you drank from a different cup. What do you mean by drank from a different cup? Oh my God. Wow. You can, oh my goodness. You're so detailed. Okay. Okay. Hush, hush. All right. Okay. So anyway, okay, come back here. Pound dollar. Okay. You see, we are looks like some selling is coming in now. Okay, M30 has opened. Okay, let's okay, take a look at this M30. The M30 has opened. All right. So as we can see, M30 has set up this beautiful resistance. However, okay, the space is not there yet. Okay, all right. Then probably we, you know, yeah. Okay, so at the moment right now, by looking into the whole situation, is that I will still see, even there's a selling, I won't be selling first. Okay, I won't be selling. For pound dollar, I won't be selling now. All right, let's put it, let's take example. Okay, maybe here, yesterday. Okay, yesterday, the selling off is good. Okay, we have about 20 pips from this area here. Okay, but be looking into this selling off is only a temporary to take the lows. That's all. Okay, so as we can see, we tested once here. Okay, then after that it went up trying to take the highs again, but it has been struggling very much at the midline here. Then after that, it went up a little bit. Okay, to fill up this area. Okay, then after that it start to swing off to take the lows. From the lows, it did not create any lower resistance to take the area lowers here. Okay, then it actually bounced back, setting up the support to bounce back to take the highs. So the selling over here a bit different from today. The reason behind is that the move here, it creates the space, but today there isn't any move creating any space. So no space at all. Okay, no space at all. Okay, I'm not trying to teach you, I'm trying to tell myself. Okay, I'm not. Okay, hey Eric, you listen up. Okay, okay. So there isn't any. Okay, so there isn't any space today. So not unlike yesterday. Although we have this move here from yesterday, creating this space here, I think it's still good. However, right, what we have created earlier on in this morning from the Sydney, okay, we base on that first, okay, because one zone after another zone. All right, so tentatively this Sydney has not been taken out yet, so there isn't any move, I would say. All right, so let's wait for that move first. Okay, simply so that's why I'm actually looking into the area here. Okay, 126.432. If this is going to break below, right down, then there will be a move. Am I right? And buyers should stand by. Okay, either be looking into 126.151 or over here at 126.432. Then there will be a good chance to boom up. Okay, then or from here, then you can reclaim whatever the space has been created. Okay, so there isn't any yet for today. Unlike this, they have this area to create, and they created this area for the reclamation, and then the highs has still remaining untouched for the trader to take some profits. So there's always chance like this. Okay, so right now we are still waiting. We are still waiting. So probably we are still waiting for a good chance to come. Well, from this look here, especially this point here and this point here, as you can see, this whole area has been filled nicely. Okay, so selling is possible to take this area so that they fill up this area, okay, or this area at this point here. But I would say that likely you can see this area has been filled. Okay, it's all this area. Okay, then this area waiting to be filled as well. So I'm actually waiting to see some obvious move, okay, then some selling structure to comes in before I actually going to sell off to take this area while they are filling up, okay, or maybe even this area when this from here, okay, then they are going up and fill up this way, okay. So they're, yeah, maybe, okay, it can be this area here, all right, okay. So you know, yeah, you know, okay, so that can be the whole situation is going to be like. So if it's going to remain up here hovering around this area here, there's nothing we can do. I'm not going to take risk between this area to this area unless from here to here about 20 pips there's a good selling structure that comes in for me to sell off, then I will be selling off. But before the selling structure to comes in, make sure they create a space up there, the move. What I'm looking at is the move, okay. So it will give a very, then after that it started to build a selling structure from this area 126,633, okay, 126,633. Then from there, then after that we will go for the selling, all right. So now there isn't anything, nothing there. So just we really have to wait for a while, okay. We really have to wait for a while, all right. Yeah. Okay, so for now, okay, as for now, okay, what we are going to look out for is that, well, it's going to be like, you know, it's going to be like a waiting game is on, right? For the goal wise, okay, another high, 23.58 and 23.5923, okay, so 23.59. Okay, there we go again. So there's no selling at all. Okay, so by looking into this, there's no selling at all. Right. I don't know if Caro have the same should I say same feeling again? Okay, same feel or feeling. Okay. Whenever it's actually creating another high, all right. For me, it's very difficult to see where it will be going, okay, and opportunity to sell off or anything like this, it become a little bit tough for me. If this continue to go up, I mean, if it continue to break higher, creating new highs, I won't be like in the market, okay, get ready to sell off, it's a new high, they are going to pull back, they are going to sell off from this high. Usually I won't be doing that, but of course, coming in to satisfy everybody's appetite, I still have to give some reading on the selling part, am I right? Okay. Okay, but then again is that seriously, I do not know. Seriously, when it comes to another high, okay, yeah, it's better to stay away, okay, until it actually comes back into the area that is it actually reclaim back, the prices actually fall into the area. Then I think it will be able to, yeah, exactly. We don't have historical data. You're right. So that is the main key. But you know what? I mean, let's talk about Southeast Asia. Okay, Southeast Asia here. All right, there are certain countries. Okay. They will be, oh, it's time to sell, get ready, all the sellers, okay, Facebook everywhere, anytime and everywhere you can see, oh, come on, get ready to sell, okay. But then again is that usually when it comes to this point, I won't be taking any action. I will be staying away, all right? I'll be staying away. Yeah, so just like over the weekends, okay, we had a seminar, okay, on-site seminar with some community service, all right. So this from the seminars, there are a lot of people actually was saying that, okay, when it's actually creating the ATH, okay, they will try to sell off. They will try to sell. No, actually, I would say it's good to stay away. all right, it's good to stay away. Yeah, because first of all, we don't have a historical data, we don't know what to do, we don't have something to refer, all right, we don't know what the market is going to do. Okay, so I will rather wait. I will rather wait for the price to come into area like this. Then I will see what to do with that. Okay. So for now, okay, if you are still looking out for selling here, okay, well, we can see this is the another highs up there. Okay, 23.59, correct, right? So if I'm going to look out for selling, all right, there are people. I mean, I know there are. Oh, now start selling, something like that. Okay, but I don't think this is a good. I don't think this is a good point to sell. Of course, you want to sell from the highest point. Okay, but is this the highest point? There's no highest point or lowest point, am I right? Okay, there isn't. So it's just a matter of where will be the good place to sell. All right, I will be looking into somewhere here, 23.55. If this is going to break into this area, then maybe this area is a good area to sell off. All right, but not up there. Okay. Why is that not up there? All right. The question posted here. Okay, why? You see, let's take a look at this candle here, this green candle here. Okay, right. Let me zoom in. Okay, let's take a look at this candle here. Oh yeah, it's creating the high. It's time to sell off. Yes, I'm going to sell now. Yeah, it pulled back a bit and it pushed even higher. Can you see? All right. So it doesn't mean that okay, I want to sell at the highest peak. Okay, where is the highest peak? You can never find the highest peak for such a situation. You never know, right? Let's take a look here. From here, correct? Ah, okay, another high. I'm going to start selling off. It may happen like this. Okay, it may, but it push even higher. All right. Oh, another higher. Oh, another higher. So things may be like this. Okay, so may not be a good one, right? There's nothing in there for us to take any calculated risk. Okay, you are taking risk up here. You are not taking any calculated risk. Okay, yeah, all right. So it's always good to hold on. Okay, until it gets into the area. Okay, why am I plotting this 2355 here? Is because I'm waiting for the price to get inside here. So we have this range. Okay, to take a look whether it is going to be a good one. All right. So we have this range here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So once it gets in here, this wonderful range here. So why not just wait? So at least this is calculated risk. If the price comes in here, then you see something. Okay, there's a selling entry for you. Okay, at least this selling probability is much better than here. Okay, that's my point of view. All right. Okay, guys, let's go to the key bell. Okay, we have last 15 minutes before the H4 opening. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, see you guys in a short while. Hello guys, thank you so much. I'm back. Thank you for your patience. Right, and let's see. Well, hi Bradley. Gadgets on knees. Okay, so let's take a look. Pound dollar. Oh yes, we bounce back now, trying to take the highs up there. Alright, and well, wow, this area looks good, huh? Okay. Okay. Right. And let's see. Yes, so your pants are in danger now. No worries, I'm without it. Okay, so for pound dollar, looks like we are now trying to take out the highs here. Alright, so hang on for a little while. Still plenty to go. Okay, we are going to look out for something up there. Something up there. Well, from here to here, we have about 11 pips. 11 pips. Wow. Okay. Sabrina, yep. I wouldn't dare to take any trades now. It seems like everything is so dangerous, so boring, so sleepy. Okay. I think it's not wise to take any trades here. Yeah. I mean personally I see. Alright. I still wish to see something else. Okay. I still wish to see something else. Not really that fantastic yet. Okay. So I would prefer to wait. Yeah. Okay, so over here, let's hang on. Okay, let's hang on for a little while. If we are trying to get this area here, let's see. This move is good. I would say this move is good. And now we have a move. Okay, I'm trying to look out for more because okay, although this is the highs here, alright, so but I'm still looking out into this area here, okay, which is about 126.716 around there. Yeah. Slightly above. Still coming back here. Yeah. It should still have about another 13 pips to go. Right. I mean but if you are looking for selling right now, well, I will be seeing that this can be a pullback. Selling is a pullback. Okay. It's still a pullback over here, huh? Yeah. Right. And I to be honest, now is a whole range here. It's going to move within this area. Nothing big, nothing small. Okay, it is still in this area only. Can you see? If I'm putting in this box here, we are actually trading within this area. Yep. Okay, for the gold wise. Okay, for the gold wise, guess some selling is going to come in very soon in the next hour. Yeah. Then maybe some pulling back here. Yeah. And okay. 40 pips there. 5 minutes to go. Yeah, 5 minutes to go. All right. Okay, hang on there, hang on there. Don't enter any trade now. Okay. I see if I'm going to enter a trade, if it's below 23.55. Where 23.55 should be good. 23.55. After 23.55. After 23.55. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so pound dollar, we are still trying to take the highs up there. Okay, good. Very good. Keep it going. Right, keep it going. Yeah, still there. Right, still there. Coming soon. Let's see, let's see. All right. Okay. And over at this point here, we can see that if we're going to shrink down, okay, this way, right? For pound dollar, we today, by looking into this area, okay, we cannot just look at the chart this way. We need to have an overview, okay, where it will be so much clearer. Okay, so within this whole area here, right, you can see that we are actually setting from this whole area here. It moves this way down nicely. That it actually, you can see inverse head and shoulder, correct? Inverse head and shoulder, very nice inverse head and shoulder. So if you're asking me to sell off, unless okay, maybe this area, because why am I looking into this area is because there may be a break of structure. Okay, they are working to break the structure, so I'm looking into this area. Then again is that we are still in the buying side because of looking into this whole area here. All right, so by looking into this whole area, this dark area here, can you see using your eye trick now? Okay, so it's an eye trick technique here. Okay, this area here. So we looking from this whole area to fill up. Now is to fill up this whole area here. So there may be a chance that we are still going up another 20 over pips. Okay, to fill up. Okay, so at this point here, buying is still ongoing. It's just that we don't have a good buying. We don't have a good buying entry. Yeah, we don't have a good buying entry there. If we are looking into a general, let's say M30, okay, you can see very nice head and shoulder, and it is still on the way, okay, to fill up this whole area. Okay, so that this whole area, it has a very nice area here. Okay. Okay, so yeah, and this whole area here. So at the moment, from this whole range, to look out for a good buying up to fill up this, then probably we may want to look out for today. If there's a good setup for the buy, then we will be able to see if that is really a good place to really go for a good buy, right? Yeah. So at this point here, there's a change down here over at this point here, right? There's a change down here. Okay, so we'll be looking into this area here. Yeah. Okay. So are they going to sell off from this after they tested the highs, the resistance here? Then are they going to take this out again back here for another 8 pips or even lower down to 50 pips to this area here, right? You're asking me now, I will say you can tell from my vocal, you can tell from my, you know, I am actually just like the chart moving sideways. No decision yet. I don't have a very clear decision on that. Okay, let's take a look at H4. Well, H4, we have opened up H4, it closed. How this going to close? All right, and closure over here now looks good over at this point here, where after they have cleared this area. So by looking into the whole move here, okay, the whole move here, all right. So looking into this, let me move this down again into H4. Since H4 has opened up, we have filled this up. So there'll be a chance that the selling is coming soon, because by looking into this area here, they are actually right now they are actually, I would say, building the resistance. So by building the resistance, okay, by building the resistance on the way, okay, they should have some selling. All right. But the selling over here, okay, it also must come with a selling structure as of currently, okay, now, where I would say there may be a chance, okay, for some selling, okay, over here. Well, looks like selling. Is this a good selling? I would say probably, okay, but seems like they have not completed their mission yet. Okay, yeah, just like, you know, it's still not as good yet. Okay, I will say it's not as good yet. All right, for the goal wise, okay. As for the goal wise, I think at the moment, it is still escalating. As for the goal wise, I see, okay, straightforward. I have only one thing to tell you, is that no comments. Okay, I think London is creating a highs up here, right? Then probably just, you know, yeah, go, just buy and close eyes. I think that it will still, yeah, I think there may be still buying, okay. But do you want to buy at this high? I don't think so, right? I don't think you want to pump in I don't think you want to punch in a buy right now. Okay. Maybe around a quick scalping from, okay, now maybe 23 now if a quick scalping now, okay, from this opening here, maybe if it's going to create another high, then I think forget it, better don't. Here, the opening here, I see a gap here. Now is to fill up, then probably here 23.57 too. Then after that to take this wick here, another 20 pips there. Okay, yeah, they need a bottom wick. Yeah, yes, yeah, maybe like now. Okay, yeah, I you know what, I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable. I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to buy as high as possible and reaching out to the skies. For me, I don't trade that way. I think, you know, I cannot explain this. So it also means that I'm in a hesitation mode now. Better to stay away. Okay. For me, I will stay away for a while. If this actually comes to over the price here, okay, 23.57, we touches just now 5 minutes ago, then maybe they will be trying to take this wick here. Yeah, right. Okay, and okay, I see. Okay, I see this way. All right. Probably here, 23.57. It may try to take out this wick here. Okay. Yes, it's sparkly time. No, I'm not into this ATH game. I guess experienced trader don't usually, this is not the right time to, I don't think this is the right time to get into any trade, huh? Am I right? I guess only, huh? Okay. I'm not sure. Some maybe good. All right. Some maybe they are good to go as breaking high. They'll still be going up higher and higher. Yeah, but not for me. All right. Yeah. Okay. Pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar over here. Okay. So still pushing. Okay. We are still trying to push to take this area here. All right. We're still trying to take this area here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, no, this area here, I think no, Sabrina is falling asleep. She said, I need toothpick on my eyelid. Okay. Alright, hi Ahmed, nice to see you here. Is this technical rise? Because everything except for geopolitical risk is pointing to going down to at least 2260. Okay, let's take a look. Well, I would say more onto the geopolitical risk. Hi Winnie, 你好. Well, it's pointing to going down to at least 2260 possible. Let's see, is it possible? 2260. We are back here again. I think we talked about this weeks ago. All right. 你好，我来看老师了。哦，你好，我们刚从这个梦想空间回来啊，所以忘记把这个 cam 给开了。OK， 是啊。 So Ahmed was saying that geopolitical risk pointing down to 2260 possible. Okay, is 2260 is possible, but then again is that we still need to see if there's a selling opportunity that actually comes in, all right, to bring the price down into 2260, all right. Previously we were talking about 2260, okay, 2260, 2288, all right, and but the point is that looks like market is still trying to push higher, all right, still trying to push higher. So at the moment right now, okay, okay, we're still looking into things like, you know, they are still creating a high, correct, ATH high. So at this point, we may want to look at how it reacts at the high before we take any selling trade first. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. So yeah. Winnie，我们在讨论这个黄金哦，有人问说这个价位可能会到2260啊，这个会不会是一个这个情况的这个现在的问题啊？还是这是技术的技术方面的一个在推高，都有这个可能 ，all right。不过现在就是在等的。如果要下到2260的话呢，首先呢，这个黄金呢，虽然它是在攀高，对不对？但是现在目前还是要等着，就是它先要有这个往下跌的这个结构，才能确定哈。Yes, yeah. I hope there will not be any problem whenever I want to withdraw. Okay. So yeah, guys, I will translate whatever we say into Mandarin. Okay, so if you hear any foreign language like Mandarin, okay, then it's only a translation. Okay, all right. So at this point here, yeah, 今天我一直看它狂上升啊，是的，我们也没有什么做到单子今天，所以现在就是在等着哈。All right, okay. So at this point here, likely to really have to pay attention and wait for a while before we actually go into any action, right? Because right now, you know, if we are going for any action for selling off or something like that, like we have just discussed earlier on, okay, we don't have any historical data to refer, right? And things can, at this point of time, things can go either way, and there's a lot of risks to be considered. Okay, we want to take calculated risks, not risks like this that it may still go on higher and higher to the extent that it's a never-ending game. Correct? Okay, so there's no highest or lowest. So we need to take note. Okay, being a retail trader, we need to take note what is the move is like to give us the probability. Then we will be able to trade, okay, at least with some historical data, all right, then I would say that it will give us a good probability, and that is what I call the calculated risk, okay, all right. Unlike things like you're going into casino, all right, yeah, you're just placing your bet by just guessing. That is not calculated risk, okay. Yeah, all right. Okay, pound dollar has taken out the highs up there. Okay, yeah, all right. So looking out for more buying, is it? Yeah, all right. Yes. Over at this point here, all right. Let's see if this actually has taken out the highs here. All right. Okay. Yeah. 棒美我们刚才在说的就是这个价位啊，1.26637啊，它要越过，它要拿下这个高点哦。那么还有一个高点在上面也要拿下的哈。Alright, okay, so we still have one more round over here. Okay, which is the resistance or up here. Alright, this is the one. Okay, so this is the area here. Okay, so yeah, 126,730 1.26730 啊，它还会继续再往上升，要达到1.26730啊。So from here, we still have a little bit more to go. Okay, 126,730 here. Then maybe the selling will be coming again. Okay, all right. Yeah. Yes, Avery. When will you be live again? Yeah. Just now. Tomorrow I likely I won't be around. 明天我的直播我不会有直播哈，明天。Okay, so tomorrow I will likely not to be around. Then I'll be back on the Thursday. Yeah, I'll be back on the Thursday. All right. Okay. Yeah. Currently I'm on my round trip. Round trip. Okay, I'm gonna fly around back here again. Okay. Okay. So yep. Okay, so over at this point here, all right. So for pound dollar, for seller who are looking for selling, to take this out and take this out, okay, from 126,432 to 126,151. I'll be looking into 126,730. Okay, taking out this area first, then looking for some selling. Okay, looking out for some selling from there. All right, yeah, okay. 好，我明天没有直播哈，记得哈。我星期四、周四再回来 ，OK， 周四再回来。那 yep, and over at this point here, they are still trying to create these highs. Okay, taken out the highs already. So looking out for a new selling structure. Then probably we are going down to take this area, 126,432 down to 126,151. Okay, yeah. Okay, so by selling, I think a selling area should be here. All right, looking into this area to sell. So try to keep your fingers away. All right. Okay, try to keep your fingers away. Yeah. Okay, so this area here, all right, this area here. Yep. Okay. Yep. Try to sit on your fingers right now, I would say. Okay, try to sit on your fingers right now. I think it will be good, because now I think there isn't any selling opportunity for the pound dollar yet. Okay, as for the gold, once again we are going higher. Okay, yeah, no selling yet. All right, no selling yet. Okay, no selling yet. It's still going higher. Okay, still going higher. Yeah, from just now we are talking about this area, right? 23.57. We are trying to get these highs taken, and now looks like this is the area now. Okay, 23.57. Just now we are talking about this area. Okay. What do you think, Caro? Caro, are you putting in a buy? Are you putting a buy secretly yourself? Trying to... Okay, I think Caro is trying to push the market higher. Yeah. Okay, yes, pound dollar. Yeah, okay, let's come back pound dollar. Yeah, just now you're saying that the range, can you please explain it again? Okay, let's take a look. All right, let's see. Okay, for pound dollar, we take a look. Okay, after this I'll be translating in Mandarin. 那我先用英文讲解啊，然后之后我用中文讲解哈。Okay, first of all, as just now we were saying that from this wave here, correct, it went down all the way. You can see very nice inverse head and shoulder, correct. So from this point here, all right, from this area here, we are actually, there's, if you look at high trick technique, okay, you will look at this area, all right, to fill up, okay, this black background here, they are trying to fill up this area so that it will be a fantastic inverse head and shoulder fill up. Then from there we will take a look if there's any reaction from there to form selling structure, then probably there's some pullback. Okay, a new move will be coming in again. All right, okay, yeah, it will not sell, huh? Okay, yeah. All right, so now I'm going to translate into Mandarin. Okay, 这里嘛，我们看这个棒美啊，有人问嘛，这个结构，这个是一个反头肩的结构，对不对？所以反头肩的结构的这个范围啊，都是一个空洞的。那这个空洞呢是需要填补的，好不好？所以呢，现在呢就是在等着它继续往上升，填补这个范围。那么你就会看到整个就是很漂亮的给它给填补了，就很像这一小段，对不对？你看从这里上升，这里下来，这个黑色的地方啊，这个黑色的背景啊，就填满了嘛，好不好？所以这里啊，现在这里啊，还没有填满的。所以呢，有这个机会，现在就是要把它给填补上去 ，OK， 好不好？啊，所以现在目前在这正在等着它填补啊，所以还有继续在上升的这个可能性，那继续上升的可能性还蛮大的哈，所以从昨天就已经看到它建立起那个反头肩，所以就是正在看着走涨继续做多，好不好？大约。价位大约应该最高会去到 1.26830 在这个结构里面 Okay, so let's come back here. Okay, so tentatively 126,830, okay, 730, okay, 126,730, okay, so likely to see that this is going to fill this up, alright, okay. So should be around here. Okay, so let's see if there's a good chance for the pound dollar to sell off when it hits 126,730. Okay, all right. Hi JJ. All right, this JJ. Is this JJ the JJ we know? Good stuff, sir. All right, thank you. All right. Okay. Yeah, and by looking into H1, okay, it's also very obvious. We can see inverse head and shoulder. So we are trying to fill this up. So still on the buy side. All right. So there isn't any sign of selling yet. So very likely just hang on and wait for some selling to come in later on. Okay. If not, then we shall take a look at this area here, 730. If this is going to take out, you're going to test into this area. Selling structure have to come in before we can sell off from 126,730 down to take 126,430. Okay, so we have 730 to 430, about 30 pips there. Okay, about 30 pips. All right, so you can just wait for a little while. Okay, just wait for a little while for it to get up to 730. Okay, yeah. So this shall be a good one. Okay, this will be better in a way. Okay, so at least when we are waiting, okay, we will know, okay, what are the price to wait and what are we expecting to see at the price. So example, like I'm waiting for 126,730 to sell, so prices should come into 126,730. All right, then after that, let's see if the selling structure to come in. Okay, then if the selling entry is coming in at this level, then then we start the selling. Okay, then it will be better that way. Okay, it will be better that way. All right. Okay, so at the moment right now, I think buying is still okay at the moment. Okay, I will say buying is still ongoing. All right. So but the buying space only about 8 pips. We are left with about 8 pips. So since it's only 8 pips, then I rather wait for it to achieve the 8 pips. Okay, from here to here, about 8 pips. So I rather wait for it to wait for it to achieve this area here. Then after that, from there, then we start the selling. Okay, then we start the selling. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Okay. So for now, all we have to do is to wait. There's nothing else we can do. Yeah, nothing else. Okay. Yeah. Correct. That's right. Okay. Just wait for a little while. Okay, I think coming soon. Should be coming soon. Okay. Okay, let's say when it breaks, let's say when it breaks above 126,730, once it breaks above 126,730, if it's going to break a support, it's going to build a support above that, then we are going to 127,241, sorry, 127,241. So above here, we still have about another 50 pips to go. All right. Yep. Hi, JJ. So we have 2 JJ now. When did you arrive? It has been a disaster for me with EJ. Sticking to GU. Okay, EJ. Let's take a look. EJ. Right. And, well, let's take a look. I tell you what, guys. JJ, can you wait for me for a little while? JJ, wait for me for a little while. Okay. Stay here with me. Okay, I'll be right back. Someone is at the door. Let me open the door. Okay. My breakfast is here. Okay, so sorry, guys. I'm back. So sorry about it. All right. Yeah. Yes. Over here. Yeah. Okay, EJ. Let's take a look at EJ. Right. Yes, that's okay. I was too tight with SL at London Open, and it tanked. Happy trading. Okay. Just now, you're talking about just now, right? I think. Okay. First thing first. Okay. I would say JJ. All right. First of all, today the market is actually very flat. There isn't any space good enough for us to trade. Until now, I still haven't taken any trade for now. All right. So at this moment, okay, I'm waiting for. I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting for the EJ. All right, we have tested into this area. Okay, let's say I'm going to do up some work here for the EJ. All right, and EJ, we are taking this out here, and I guess pretty good. There's some selling may be coming in. Okay, some selling may be coming in over here. All right, then from here, be looking out into some areas, like say here. This is my final target here, right? But along the way, let's take a look at the zones, okay, that we need to know. All right, so we have one here. Okay, so we should have about 18 pips there. So when we come down to this area here, okay, for the Euro Yen, there may be some selling. There may be some selling down to 164.714. Okay, but it must have a selling structure. Okay, over at this point here. All right. Okay. Yeah, that's for the Euro Yen. Hi, Nolosha. Which strategy do you use? Which strategy? Yeah, I don't use which strategy. A combination of all. Okay, looking into how do I use my strategy? Okay, first of all, I use strategy that you know. Okay, you already know. Okay, so let's put it this way. Every strategy, it has its own plus point, I would say. Okay, but the situation is very important. You have to look at the situation. All right, the situation will tell you what to do with that. For example, like this pound dollar, as you can see, this swing over here is very nice. It's obvious it's going for a buy. Okay, so but the buying, what are the prices they are looking for? I'm looking at 21, 26, 33. Sorry, 73, 126, 73. So this buying may end here, and then maybe selling down unless they break above. Unless they break above 126.73. Okay, right. So you will use strategy. Okay, different strategy in a different situation to fit your strategy into that situation. Then it should be a good strategy. Okay. Yeah. Another JJ, small JJ, small letters. Okay. Hi, boss. What should we looking be for gold at times like this, flying to the moon? Okay, for the gold wise, just now as we are looking at it, it's still climbing. Okay, it is still climbing these highs here. So now it's at 23.65, correct? 23.65. So 30. Okay, maybe 30. All right. So we are still up here, correct? So for the gold wise, we are still these highs. Okay, 23.65, correct? 23.65. So 23.65 here, all right. And well, as it's still climbing up to these highs here, I am not looking into selling immediately. Then we have to. I'll be plotting out. I'll be waiting for certain areas that this gold will come back into that area, then I will start the selling. Okay. For now, okay, as for now, by looking into this, all right, looks like over at this point here, maybe we'll be trying to look out for some areas. Okay, like say I don't have any areas right now. Okay, I only see just now. Okay, for example, like just now, I'm looking into this area. If this is going to close below this area, below 23.57, to set up selling, I will be looking into this area of 50 pips. But it went even higher now. Correct? It went even higher now. So probably we should be looking out into this area here. All right. Okay, so this area, all right, 23.60. So I think a safe selling should be in this area, right, below 2360. For now, because right now this is only the preliminary reading. Okay, it's only a preliminary reading. So it all depends whether how it reacts when it comes to 2360. Right. So hang on first. I think they will still go up a little bit. I think they'll still go up a little bit. Then after that, selling may comes in later on. Okay. Not now. Okay. So hang on first, I think. All right. Yeah. Okay, just now we were discussing that we always a lot of people always try to ATH all-time highs now they start selling. If you're a quick scalper, good scalper, probably it may help. Okay, but then again is that when it actually like things like this, okay, it has a highs here, but you know it just retraced a little bit and now it went even higher, almost 80 pips there. Okay, so you know don't just rush into selling when it's actually trying to break the peak up there. Yeah, so for me, I will still wait for the price to go into somewhere that I can read. Okay, calculated risk again. Okay, then we will go for it. If not, no. Okay. I'm plotting this area out is because okay, the price will actually comes into the area. All right. It will comes into the area that at least you know there's some historical data there for you to refer. Then I think it will be better. Okay. Yeah. Pound dollar, yes, Sabrina. Yeah. Pound dollar, well, we still have a little bit to go to reach 126,730. Okay. Do you consider this as a move from 126,494 on your chart? On my charts over here, 126,494 over here. All right. There's a move. Of course, there's a move. All right. This move, but of course we want to have a good move. All right. So is this a good move at the moment now? It seems like okay. Okay, but at least there's a move. All right. So let's say yesterday you see something like this. Okay. It's not a very good move, but there's still a move. All right. So similarly, over here we have a move, but not a very good move yet. So selling may be there, but not now. Okay, maybe there, but not now. All right. Okay. Yes. Have you ever tried trading futures? I don't really trade the futures. Okay. Yeah. So I don't really trade the futures. Yeah. I tried. Yes, I tried. Yeah, in the past, yes, I'm into futures. Okay, but not now. Now I'm focused very much on the gold. On the forex trading. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for now, I'm still waiting for 126,730. Okay, yeah. So still good to see if there's some testing up there. Okay, so that we can see. Alright, so that we can see it actually tested onto the resistance. Remember, the simple logic is to sell from the resistance, buy from the support. Am I right? Okay, yeah, so that is the main point. Okay, the main key. Yeah, and yep, and over at this point here, so still waiting to see. Okay, still waiting to see if this is going to continue climbing up to take 126,730. After it reaches 126,730, then we will wait for selling structure to come in. Then after that, probably we will see very good chance for selling. Maybe some selling off. Okay, some selling off may be coming in. Yeah. Okay, and that will actually help for sellers who are waiting for selling. Buyers today, I think some buyers may have put in a buy from here. That's good. For me, I have not put in any buy yet. Okay, Anyway, I'm a seller, so I'm waiting for selling. Okay, so just hang on for a little while. Okay, I think yeah, let's see if this is going to close above. If so, buying is still ongoing, right? For the gold wise, I think some selling is coming also. Oh, let me to make adjustment from here. Okay, 23, 61, 5. Okay, let's see if this is going to come down to 23, 61, 5. Okay, yeah. For the pound wise, no, pound wise will be still on the buying side. Okay, we have a little bit to go. Yeah, so just hang on. Yep, Sabrina, just hang on. Okay, yes, Christopher. Yep. Can I ask if the price? Can I ask if the price is actually pumping up from 126.5, 126.57, 57, 57. Okay, around here. Yeah. Okay. I would say. I mean, yes. Okay. I would say yes. But this. If you're looking at this area to go for a buy, first of all, I'm looking into this area here, 6 pips down up to 15 pips here. I would say this may be, this is a buying entry, but a bit risky. A bit risky. Alright, a bit risky. Yeah. Okay. A bit risky here. Then again is that now it breaks through. Of course, it breaks through. I should have buy. But at that point of time when we are actually deciding whether to buy or not, I would say that this is a risk. I would say this is a risk there. Okay, because the buying from support, and the support is actually here, not here. Okay, this is just a continuity. But then this is the inception. So we should be looking at the inception of the support, right? Inception of the support. I think that would be good. All right. Hi, emotional forex trader. How are you? Where are you from? Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for dropping by. Yeah. Let's make friends here. Let's make friends here. Okay. Yep. I'm from Singapore. Okay. So over here, we are looking at pound dollar to take this. Okay. Okay. To take this 126.730. Hi, my name is Eric. How are you? Okay. Very calm person. Oh, thank you very much. Because today we are very boring. You're from UK. Oh, I see. You're from UK. Okay. Nice, nice. Which part of UK? Yeah. Hi, JJ. Oh, you're from Singapore. Do you know Karen Fu? She's pretty good. Oh, yes, Karen Fu. Yes. Yeah, she's good. She's good. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I actually love your channel. Thank you so much. Are you first time here? Okay. Oh, you're from Bedfordshire. I see. I see. I see. Wow, nice place, man. Thank you. I see. Nice, nice, nice. All right. You know Kensington? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. So now. No, but never got to chat. I see. So you have been here for a while, but never got to chat. Okay. Feel free. Feel free. Come on. Okay. We have Caro, the founder of XNS. Okay. He's good at Go. All right. Yeah, so yeah, we have a combination here. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. So just join in. Okay, hopefully we learn and share with from each other. All right. Yeah. Okay. Let's pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. We have achieved 126.730. Okay. So now Nice. 126,730. Okay, this is the area that I'm looking out for. All right, so this is the area I'm looking out for. So now, from the beginning of the live streaming, we have been waiting for the pound dollar to take out the highs here and to achieve 126,730. Now, this is called a move. All right, good. Now, it's good to see it has taken out 126,730. Okay, 126,730. Over at this point here is where I'm looking out for. Okay, this is the key area. Okay, so now what is next to look out for is that I'm going to look out for, okay, from the beginning of the live streaming here, we are looking out for the price to go up into 126,730 area. Then now I'm waiting to see what is the reaction. Now I'm going to see what is the reaction here. All right, so if the reaction over here is going to set up a support above 126,730, then I'm going to see the price going to fill this up, okay, to 127,241. So now buyers, now is buyers game. Okay, buyers game. So buyers can take note. If this is going to set up support, then we are going to see buying is coming in. Christopher, just now you're talking about this area, right? So if this something like this going to happen above here, all right, buying is coming in again, and that is the area that you are buying a new support from the support area. Okay, so I think that would be good. All right, so but of course we have to take note. Okay, we have to take note certain things. Like I say, what is the reaction? Okay, what is the reaction? So if the reaction, like I say, if it's going to set up the support from 126,730, buying is still going to go further up to take very high up, huh? Just now, what's the price? I've forgotten. Okay, it's going to take this 127,241. Okay, then we have about 50 pips up there from this area. Okay, about 50 pips. But again, like I say, look out for the reaction. Okay, it has created a move, so there may be some liquidity down here to be taken. Okay, so there may be a chance if the reaction is there to create support, buying is there. If the reaction comes pulling it back down here as a selling structure to sell off again, then we may be looking out to take the low again. Okay, we may be coming back to take this area of 126,432. Okay, so look at the reaction. When the price comes to an area that we plotted, doesn't mean that you pump in a buy immediately or put in the sell immediately. You have to look out for the reaction. Okay, we have to look out for the reaction to see if that reaction is a rejections, okay, to form selling structure, or the reactions to form support as a buying structure. Then we will give a decision later on. Okay, they will give a decision later on. All right. Okay, so that's the whole picture. Okay, so for now, since I'm the seller, I'm very willing to wait. Okay, I'm very willing to wait from just now 126,494 all the way up to 126,730. Okay, so we have about 24 pips up there. Okay, it has filled up these 24 pips. It's not that I wouldn't want to take this money. Okay, even though I can see the price is going towards 126,730, but it's because I'm a seller. I want to keep my I want to keep my trading structure there. Okay, I wouldn't want to spoil it. Okay, I wouldn't want to compromise my selling structure, and then in the end, I don't have a good trading discipline on that. All right, and I wouldn't want to confuse myself as well. Okay, probably because maybe you are a better trader than me, then you can do it. Okay, but for now, no. Okay, as of now, buying, no, not now, because you are going to buy at a high price. Okay, even we are looking at 127,241, but still a no. Okay, still a no. All right, and not forgetting, we still have 127,040, this area here. All right, somewhere here. Okay, yeah, right, somewhere here, 127.040, okay, somewhere here, right? So we still need this. We still, before we take this 127.241, we still have this target to be met. Okay, over here. All right. So by moving towards this, okay, by looking at this price to move towards 127.241 is to fill up the FVG gap. Okay. Okay. So this FVG is there. So looking at the chances that you're going to fill this up is quite high. All right. The probability is that we work on the probability, but probability ultimately is still a probability. But end of the day is still looking at how is the move is going to be like. All right. Then we will be able to tell whether it is still good to move towards the north. Okay. Yeah. All right, Sabrina. Okay. Yeah. I couldn't keep my cool as you. I wanted to pump in the buy for so many times. Okay. If you're good, of course you don't have to wait for me. All right. Okay. Like I say, I'm not a signal provider, so I'm here just to trade. And since each time when I'm trading, I'm also talking to myself in front of the computer. You know, why not I just go live streaming and talk to everybody how I think about the trades. I'm just speaking out loud of my thoughts. Okay, so if you think that is good, then maybe you can just go. No worries. Okay, no worries about that. All right. So over at this point here, there may be some selling off. All right, because I will still see that there is a good chance. There's still a good chance that selling, the pullback is still there. Okay, yeah. Okay, Barclay is a signal provider. Yeah, Barclay, where are you, Barclay? All right. Okay, so yeah, so I'm still waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting for this to come in. Hey, yeah, by the way, how's the gold? Right, let's take a look at the gold. Look at the gold now. Okay, look at the gold now. Okay. Okay, I think the goal is coming in, but H1 is also closing soon. Okay, so let's see. Seems like the goal is actually coming in for some selling soon. Yeah. All right. Let's go the goal, JJ. Okay. Yeah, our JJ Junior. Because we are small caps. Okay. And we have another JJ with a big caps. Alright. Okay. Anyway, just a joke. Okay. Alright, so okay, so let's see over at this point here. Right, we have looking at all this, we can see, okay, we are now moving towards to take out this. All right, so now putting into, we may have some areas to take note. Okay, we may have some areas to take note over here. Yeah, and yeah, so this area, one, two, pump just now that 23.57. Okay, 23.57. So yeah, 23.57. Yeah. Yes, emotional trader. I'm on the selling of gold and GU. Okay. Selling of gold and GU. Okay. GU wise, I don't know what is the price. Oh, small scalping. Okay, small scalping wise, you may have a good chance to see the pound dollar may be selling down to 126.678. Okay, Yeah. All right. As for the goal wise, personal thoughts, I think 23.61.5 here. If this able to break below, I will see 23.57. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Did anyone feel the aha from Eric on seeing the gold chart? Aha! How do you know how do you know how I felt? Okay. Yeah, all right. So yeah, I think the goal wise should be oops, I'm sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. Let me okay. Yeah. Okay, as for the goal wise, selling off down to 23.61 now. Okay, is you know, would you buy gold if closes above the resistance? At the moment, no. Anything that closes above, I will not buy because it's going to be another high. Okay, so I'm not going to put in any buy. Okay. Yeah, but instead of putting in a buy, I'm looking more on the selling side. But on the selling side, it has to come to certain areas. Then I will put in for the selling. If you are good at selling in this area here, okay, I think it should be good to come into 23.61. But for me, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to sell below 23.61.50. Okay, I will be taking this area. Okay, I'm going to take this area to 23.57. 23.57. Okay. Gold is going to melt in a moment. Soon, I guess. Okay. By looking into this selling off, like what Caro has said. Okay, earlier on, if you have read his message, there's no bottom wick. Okay, there's no bottom wick, so they may be creating a bottom wick. Okay. So for now, yeah, okay. So for now, it is still there. Okay, yeah, 23.61.5, yes. Okay. 23.61.5. Okay, this area here. I think this will be the area where the workman is going to melt the gold. Okay. Right. Okay. So ask the workman, Caro. How about Caro? Caro, I think start selling the gold. Have you started selling the gold? Well, we have another 3 minutes to go. All right, another 3 minutes. So that 3 minutes, well, I will coming to the end of my live streaming today. Tomorrow I won't be around, guys. Okay, so I'll be coming back on the Thursday. Okay, because tomorrow and during this hour I will be having my seminars. Okay, so yeah, the pound dollar is still escalating. Okay, so for emotional effects, yeah, if you are selling on the pound dollar, well, you have to pay attention on to that. Okay, I'm looking down onto 126.730. Anything below that with a selling structure, then I will be selling off. Okay. No, I'm sitting on my hands. Oh, very good. Okay. You know what I'm doing? You know, when I was when I'm alone trading, usually I make fun of my guys. Hey, you have to sit on your hands by pulling your ears. Okay, put your hands on your ears this way. Okay, whenever you are trying to when you're trying to put in a trade, pull your ear a little bit. Okay. Okay. Joke aside. All right. So now let's see. Okay. For the pound dollar. Okay. Yeah. We are still. Well, there may be some pullback a little bit more. Okay. There may be some pullback for you. Emotional. At 126.831, 126.831 around there. Okay. So they may be taking out these wicks here. Okay. but if this is going to close above in M5, right, then it's not very good to hold on anymore. Okay, so well, okay, let's move this up. Situation changes, so we also need to make changes. Okay, 7:30. Okay, yeah, so we still have a little bit more. Once it touches 126,832, there may be some pullback down to 126,730. Okay, so if this is still setting up the support, then I will advise to exit the trade. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so for the gold wise, right, as for the gold wise, not that fantastic anyway. All right, still something up there waiting. Okay, I guess it's still good to wait for a little while. Okay, I think it's still good to wait. All right. Okay, well, H1 has opened, so I guess that should be all for today, guys. Well, again, tomorrow I won't be here, so we will see each other on the Thursday. All right, so let's see if Thursday to have something good. All right, after hopefully I don't know, we have FOMC meetings or these kind of things. Okay, so quite choppy, huh? All right, so never mind. But the pound dollar wise, I think later on, okay, once it's if this is going to form up some selling structure, I will be looking out to take this 126,494 again. Okay, 126,494. All right. Okay, so shall see you guys again. All right, then wish you good luck in your New York session. Thank you, Caro, and thank you guys. So wish you good luck in your New York session with bountiful profits, and see you again likely on Thursday. Okay, so do join in the Discord channel if I can come in. I will, if I can join in this live streaming tomorrow with the seminars. But I hope the sound is good. Okay, then we will go together. All right. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, and see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you guys.